Have you ever wondered if it's possible to embrace the ketogenic lifestyle without emptying your wallet? In a world where health trends often come with a hefty price tag, the keto diet stands out as both a popular and sometimes pricey option. Stay tuned, since we'll delve into the secrets of navigating the ketogenic journey without burning a hole in your pocket and explore practical tips to help you stay committed to your keto goals while keeping your finances intact. One of the most effective ways to stick to a budget on the keto diet is to plan your meals ahead of time. By mapping out your breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks for the week, you can avoid impulsive purchases and reduce food waste. When planning your meals, focus on simple recipes that use inexpensive ingredients. Casseroles, salads, and one-pan meals are great options that allow you to stretch your food budget while still enjoying delicious keto-friendly dishes. Incorporating vegetarian meals into your keto meal plan can help you save money on groceries. Eggs, tofu, and legumes are all affordable sources of protein that can be used to create delicious meatless dishes. One of the keys to saving money on the keto diet is to become a savvy shopper. Start by creating a detailed shopping list based on your meal plan for the week. Stick to the outer aisles of the grocery store, where you'll find fresh produce, meats, and dairy, while avoiding the more expensive processed foods in the center aisles. Don't forget to shop for seasonal produce. Not only is it fresher, but it's also usually cheaper than out-of-season options. Opt for cheaper cuts of meat instead of splurging on premium cuts of meat. Choose cheaper options like chicken thighs, pork shoulder, or ground beef. These cuts are just as delicious when prepared correctly and can help you save a significant amount of money. Compare prices across stores. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare prices at different grocery stores. You may be surprised to find that certain items are significantly cheaper at one store compared to another. Limit specialty ingredients. While keto-friendly specialty ingredients can add variety to your meals, they can also be expensive. Instead of loading up on pricey specialty items, focus on simple, whole foods that are naturally low in carbs. Incorporating vegetarian meals into your keto meal plan can help you save money on groceries. Consider buying in bulk, especially when it comes to non-perishable keto staples like nuts, seeds, and coconut oil. Warehouse clubs and online retailers often offer significant discounts on bulk purchases, allowing you to stock up on essentials without overspending. Don't be afraid to look for deals and coupons. Many grocery stores offer discounts on keto-friendly items if you keep an eye out. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to rely on pricey specialty items to maintain a ketogenic diet. Many budget-friendly foods are naturally low in carbs and high in fat, making them perfect for keto-friendly meals. Eggs, for example, are a versatile and inexpensive source of protein and healthy fats. Incorporate them into your meal rotation by making omelets, frittatas, or egg muffins loaded with veggies and cheese. Cabbage, cauliflower, and spinach are other budget-friendly options that can be used in a variety of keto recipes, from stir-fries to salads to soups. Frozen vegetables are also a convenient and affordable choice, offering the same nutritional benefits as fresh produce at a fraction of the cost. Don't underestimate the power of leftovers when it comes to stretching your food budget. Instead of letting excess food go to waste, repurpose it into new and exciting dishes. For example, leftover roast chicken can be shredded and used to make chicken salad or stuffed into low-carb wraps for a quick and satisfying lunch. Similarly, yesterday's dinner can be transformed into today's lunch by adding some fresh greens and a drizzle of homemade dressing. While convenience foods like pre-packaged keto snacks and desserts can be tempting, they often come with a hefty price tag. Instead of splurging on these specialty items, why not try making your own keto staples at home? From nut butters to bone broth to cauliflower rice, many keto-friendly foods can be easily prepared in your own kitchen for a fraction of the cost of store-bought alternatives. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have greater control over the quality and ingredients of your food. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb cravings and prevent unnecessary snacking, saving you money on keto-friendly snacks and treats. Finally, Don't underestimate the power of community support when it comes to sticking to your keto diet on a budget. Join online forums, Facebook groups, or local meetups where you can connect with like-minded individuals who are also navigating the world of keto on a budget. These communities can be a valuable source of tips, recipes, and moral support as you work towards your health and wellness goals. You may even find yourself trading tips and tricks with fellow keto enthusiasts, further enhancing your ability to stick to your budget while staying true to your dietary principles. By adopting smart shopping strategies, embracing affordable keto foods, and planning your meals ahead of time, you can enjoy all the benefits of the ketogenic diet while keeping your finances intact. Remember, success on the keto diet isn't about how much money you spend, but rather about making smart choices and staying committed to your health and wellness goals. With a bit of creativity and determination, you can achieve ketosis without sacrificing your financial stability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly tips and tricks.